Week 10 recap. Word of the day. 头 head, 手 hand, 耳 ear,
人 person, 大 big, 小 small, 口 mouth, 目 eye.
This week we learned 手 hand, 头 head, 耳 ear.
我用口吃饭，我用口喝水，我用口唱歌，我用耳朵听，我用眼睛看，我用手拍，我用手拿。
Mini quiz. Which one is the sun? Which one is the eye? Which one is the mouth? Another mini one. Which one is ear? Which one means hand? Which one is head? Great job! You learned so much this week. I'll see you next time for more Chinese characters fun.